Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a quick and easy way to send a story from a highlight to a group on Instagram. Whether you're sharing memories, funny moments, or important updates, this feature makes it simple to keep your friends in the loop. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, navigate to the profile that contains the story you want to share. You can do this by either searching for their username or finding them in your following list. Once you're on their profile, look just below their bio. Here, you'll find the Highlights section. Highlights are those circular icons that showcase stories that users have saved beyond the usual 24-hour limit. Tap on the highlight that contains the story you wish to send. Now that you're in the highlight, scroll through to find the specific story you want to share. Take your time. It might take a moment if there are several stories included in that highlight. Once you've located the story, look for the Send option. This is usually represented by an arrow icon or a paper plane symbol. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with various options for sharing. From this menu, select the group you want to send the story to. If you have multiple groups or friends in mind, you can choose several at once. After selecting your group, feel free to add a personal touch by writing a message if you'd like. Finally, when you're ready to share, simply click Send. Your selected story will now be sent to the group, allowing everyone to enjoy it together. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a story from a highlight to a group on Instagram. This feature is perfect for sharing moments with friends and family without having to repost everything individually. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Instagram and other social media platforms.